Hello and welcome to the final video in this series. In this video, we will explore the MATLAB Regression Learner app, which is designed for regression problems where we are predicting a numerical variable rather than a discrete categorical one. To open the Regression Learner app, navigate to the Apps tab, go to the Machine Learning and Deep Learning section, and select Regression Learner. This process is similar to how we accessed the classification learner. Click on New Session and select a dataset variable as we did before. This time, we will choose a numerical variable to predict from our dataset. We will be using the same dataset as before and will focus on predicting shape factor 1 using the remaining features. The setup is similar to the classification learner app. We will select a validation scheme, and this time I will select 5-fold cross-validation. Since we already have test data, we will need to create additional test data at this stage. Click Start Session to begin. You will notice that the plots now show the response variable on the y-axis and the predictor variable on the x-axis. For example, if we want to examine the relationship between the shape factor and the area, we might see a clear trend here. Conversely, other features like the aspect ratio may not show a strong relationship. We have various models available for regression, but clustering algorithms are not applicable here. I will choose All Quick to Train to test some simple models. After training, you will see that linear regression and decision trees perform well, with a fine-tuned model giving the best results. At this point, you might want to optimize regression trees or try different models like Gaussian processes. I will leave it to you to try it by yourself. You can create plots to visualize the model's performance. For example, by plotting the predicted versus actual values, you can see if the model aligns closely with the true data points. Although some errors may still be present, they are relatively small. Next, we will test the model within the app. Import test data from the workspace. Select the test dataset and click Import. MATLAB will automatically identify the input and the output variables. Click Test All to evaluate the models. You will see that the model with the best validation accuracy is also the top performer on the test data. You can export your model or generate code for training using the options provided in our last video. There is a lot more functionality available, so I encourage you to explore further. So that wraps up this series of the videos. Thanks for watching.